everyone, it's me Mohammad Adil from 8th standard and also wishing you Happy Gandhi Jayanti. On this occasion, I will tell you some inspiring thoughts about Mahatma Gandhi. First thought, speak only if it improves silent. I repeat, speak only if it improves silent. Second thought, the future is depends upon the thing we do in the present. I repeat, the future is depends upon the thing we do in future. That's all about today's thought. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Good morning everyone. I am Fatima Milha from 9th. Today I am going to say a few quotes of Mahatma Gandhi. 1. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. 2. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. 3. Silence is the best answer to anger. 4. It's easy to stand in a crowd, but it takes courage to stand alone. 5. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. 6. First they ignore, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. 7. The good man is the friend of all living things. 8. The most ability as a human is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. 9. There is no way to peace, there is only peace. 10. Peace is not a conflict, but a ability to cope with it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Aisha Salma from class 9. We all know that 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. So I am here to give a small speech about Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869 in India at the time of British rule. Though he left us on 30th January 1948, the world still celebrates his birth anniversaries on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is one of the most important national holidays in India, and the United States have also announced that October 2nd will be celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. The great tribute we could give our great leader is to participate in non-violence and love every human being irrespective of caste and creed. Gandhiji deeply believed in non-violence and he led the independence struggle of India with a peaceful protests which were well thought and incredibly effective. We all know that Gandhiji has a title name Mahatma, and this Mahatma means great soul or good soul. Because of his struggle for ahimsa and truth and independence of India, he is called as the father of our nation. So that's what. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you.
To one and all, it's me Fatima Hiba from 8th standard. Today I'm talking about small introduction of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd in 1869 in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leaders of the 1900s. Gandhi helped free the Indian people from the British rule through non-violent resistance, and he is honored by Indians as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of India's non-violent independence movement against British rule, and in South Africa advocated for the civil rights of Indians. Born in Porbandar, Indira Gandhi created law and organized boycotts against British institution in pursuit forms of civil disobedience. In India, in common parlance in India, he is often called Gandhiji, an ornament journalist from Jodhpur town in Saurashtra. So, here I am concluding my words. Thank you and have a nice day.